Tonight, the defending world champions attempt to run it back and open the curtain on the second 100 years of the NFL.
I got one thing on my man. Bring it back. One play at a time, dog. We're going to do this together the whole way through. 18 on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Touchdown! Kansas City! Shielding his shoulder just inside the linebacker. The throw, Watson now in trouble, being chased. Chris Jones has him and takes him down. Motion Watkins, they throw a quick screen. Watson with the catch, leaps forward, touchdown!
3, big hole. Edwards-Helaire will take it to the end zone. What a debut for this guy. Under pressure, it's going to be picked off at the 45-yard line, and that's Snead, the rookie, who's had a big night already. Tyrann Mathieu came in and forced the issue, got to Watson as he threw it.
Sprinting to the right side, fires Tyreek Hill, he's got it! Touchdown! Kansas City! The third touchdown pass of the night.
Chiefs knock off Houston by a final score of 34-20.
We got no time to enjoy this. We're on to the next, man.